Hello, my name is Jeremy Richards, and I am an immigration lawyer with the law offices of Richards and Jurusik. Today I'm going to be discussing the immigrant visa process. When I explain the immigrant visa process to people, I typically break it down into 3 steps. The first step of the process is what is called the petition for foreign relative. That is where you file a petition with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services to classify the individual that you want to bring to the United States as an immediate relative. You can petition individuals such as your spouse, your parents, your brothers or sisters, your children. All are included in the foreign relatives list that can be petitioned for. That is step number 1, getting them classified. If it's a spouse, proving that you actually are married and that you live together, proving what is called the bona fides or the realness of your marriage. After USCIS adjudicates and approves that petition, the second step is to work with what is called the National Visa Center. The National Visa Center processes all the immigrant visa cases worldwide. Once you get to the National Visa Center, you're going to duplicate a lot of the steps that you did in the I-130 petition for foreign relative. They're going to verify biographic documents. They're going to verify, at this stage, your financial information to see whether or not you can financially support the individual. They're also going to verify that you have a domicile or an intent to domicile in the United States. Once you've cleared that step with the National Visa Center, they've approved all your documents, you satisfied their requests. Then what they do is they will then forward your case to the final step, and that would be to the consulate or the embassy that would be processing your case. If you're Canadian, all immigrant visas are processed through Montreal. Once Montreal receives the case, what they will do is they will then contact you for the next available appointment. Once that next available appointment is scheduled, then they will give you a list of instructions of things that you must comply with in order to have your interview. For example, obtaining criminal records checks, background checks, also obtaining a medical evaluation as well. Once you have completed all of the requirements, then you will be scheduled for your interview at the consulate. The consulate will then interview the intending immigrant, in other words, the person who is not the U.S. citizen. And that only that person is allowed to attend that interview. And in that interview, they're going to verify the information to make sure it's accurate and make sure that person is admissible to the United States. In other words, determine if they have a criminal or immigration past that would prevent them, or maybe even a medical history that could prevent them from coming to the United States. At the end of that interview, what they do is they issue what is called an immigrant visa. That immigrant visa is typically valid for a 1-year time period. That immigrant visa would then be used to enter the United States. Upon entry to the United States, the intending immigrant would then officially request through USCIS the issuance of a green card or a permanent resident card in the United States. Typically within 30 days after entry, that green card will be issued and delivered to the intending immigrant. Hopefully this answered your questions about the immigrant visa process or gave you a brief overview so you understand what's involved in it. If you have any other questions about the immigrant visa process or any other U.S. immigration law related questions, give us a call, shoot us an email, visit our website. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share them. Let us know what you want to hear so that we can do upcoming videos about your questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.